Since you create AI tutorials and business content, this tool can multiply your content without extra recording. What is Opus Clip? Opus Clip is an AI tool that turns long YouTube videos into short viral clips, automatically finds the most engaging moments, adds captions, resizes to vertical, and scores clips based on viral potential. Today's goal: turn one long AI tutorial into 10 short videos. More content, more reach, more followers. Step-by-step guide. First, upload a video. Upload your AI tutorial, podcast recording, business talk, webinar, or paste a YouTube link. Second, let AI analyze it. Opus Clip will detect strong hooks, cut engaging parts, add subtitles, reframe to 9:16 vertical. It even gives a virality score. Third, edit the clips. You can change caption style, highlight keywords, add emojis, adjust frame, add your logo. Fourth, export and post to TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels. One video creates multiple platforms. How this helps you? For your AI Hustle Lab in Axis Logics, record one 8-minute tutorial. Get 8 to 12 short clips. Post daily without recording daily. That's how creators grow fast. Monetization strategy. Offer this service to Abuja business owners, coaches, real estate agents, churches, podcasters. Charge 40,000 to 150,000 naira monthly for content repurposing. Most people hate editing. You don't need it anymore. Stop recording daily content. Let AI cut your videos into viral clips automatically. Follow for daily AI tools that help you earn online.